What's up guys, before the video starts I want to let you know if you guys want to be featured in the videos, all you have to do is make me a 10-second outro, send it to my email at shoes369@gmail.com, and I will put you guys in the videos. So with that being said, let's start with today's video.
Yo, I ain't here for the money, I ain't here for the fame. Though it might be nice to own a jet plane, I'ma do it all for you. Come along and see it's true, but the world is pretty cold. You might need a sweater too. I'ma put a ride on ya. Kid from California, trying to make it in life. In school they never taught ya. Dreams of my own, I've been working from home. I can do it on my own, but sometimes it gets cold like.
You know I have to start off with the G Fuel, get some energy because I did work last night and I just woke up a few hours ago. So let's get today started. I see them bubbles. What's up guys, welcome back to another video. I am super excited for today's video. Today we're going to be installing the Voltex side skirts on the Evo. Alright guys, so I can't believe we're finally gonna install the Voltex side skirts on the Evo. This is crazy. The last time I'm gonna see these ugly things right here. They are nothing. Alright, so let's jack up the car, take off the wheels, and let's see what we're dealing with. Oh yeah, one last thing. I almost forgot to put it in first gear. You don't want that thing rolling back at you or having the car fall when you don't have the wheels on. Now that I have the wheels off, it looks like there might be a few amount of screws all down the side skirt. So what I'm gonna do is take all of those off and we'll see with what else the side skirt is held on with. All right, so look at all the screws I've taken off so far. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and about 2 more that were already missing from when I took off the stock fenders. I never put those things back on. Pretty much 10 screws already, and this thing is still held on. God damn. All right boys, so it looks like we're almost there. The whole side skirt is loose, and I'm pretty sure that there's a couple of tap-on screws or whatever those things are called, all down the side skirt. So I think I'm gonna start on this side and See this yellow thing right here? I think we're just gonna start pulling. All right, yes, we got it off. So here it is, and I was right. There were a bunch of these little plastic clips that go in here all down the side skirt. So that wasn't too hard. Here you go, Moki, present for you. It looks like I'm running into a little bit of an issue. These side skirts do sit a lot lower than normal, and you guys can see it's hitting right there. So I'm gonna have to jack up the car a bit higher. I don't know how I'm gonna do it. This thing's freaking low. Probably from right here. It's actually low the whole way across. So I'm kind of stuck right now. I put on the wheel back on the Evo just in case. I think I might just drop it and put the side skirt on while the car's sitting on the floor. But before that, I'm gonna put on these brackets onto the side skirt before I forget. That way it's ready to be mounted with the brackets. So time to put on those brackets. Okay, so I think I got it. I got all 4 brackets on the side skirt, and I think I have an idea of how this thing goes. Oh my god, guys, this thing looks freaking sick. Hell yeah. So I'm almost done with this first side. I do have to put a rivet right here to secure the side skirt, along with like 2 other little screws on each side. But this thing looks freaking crazy. Oh my god, it's freaking wide too. Let's put on this rivet.
Never thought that we'd go this far. Don't stop now. Reaching for a distant star. Don't stop now. Isn't it strange how we're safe and home? Turn it counting days until the second go. If you're gonna make a change, you have to let me know. Turn the shit around to start the top beyonds. It's all you need to do.
picked them some breakfast, and I'm gonna eat my food really quick, and after I'm gonna cruise to the spot now that it's daytime. The side skirts look so good on the car, guys. Oh my god, I've always wanted these side skirts on the car. I always thought about how my Evo would look if I had all these parts together, but I never really thought that it would happen one day. And everything's coming together really nicely. There's still a couple of little pieces left, or parts I should say. Just wait, guys, just wait. There's something big that I have planned for the Evo for next year, hopefully. I don't know, because my mood goes up and down and my motivation kicks in, and then all of a sudden, because of money and, you know, stuff in life, kind of end up not doing those things. But it's gonna happen. Shadow is gonna go through a transformation. Alright guys, so I wasn't trying to hit any workers on the road, but freaking Evo handles like a beast. I love these tires. Damn sticky ass motherfuckers. Let me show you guys the fenders. These look freaking sick. Very, very tight gap right there between those wheels and the side skirts. I don't know, if I get any thicker wheels, I might end up ripping off these side skirts, but for now these things look great. Perfect fitment. And I know what you guys are gonna say, you have a little hole right there, but there's actually a little piece that came with the side skirts. They are right here. So I got the other one right here, and I forgot to paint these, so I'm gonna end up painting these and then putting them on the car. I think these are like extensions, so they go like that. And then, if you guys don't know, there is another piece that goes right along the door and the quarter panel. I don't know guys, I don't want to cut the Evo, but having that extra Voltex piece on the car is definitely gonna change the look, along with wheel size. But yeah, I am freaking happy with how the side skirts came out. I know I've talked about replica body parts for your cars, but buying authentic parts for your cars does come with perfect fitment. Check that out. There is nothing wrong with these side skirts. Everything looks freaking sick. I kind of want to make my own little bracket for the fenders, I don't know if you guys seen some of the Evos that have a little bit of a gap right here. This sticks out about an inch or two wider from stock. Although these fenders are already 10 millimeter wider than OEM, it would be freaking sick to make them even wider. So there is like a little bracket that goes somewhere down here. There's a little bracket that goes somewhere down there to extend the front fenders and make it look even more aggressive. But I'm in love with this car, guys. What do you think? So yeah, there it is, guys. Voltex side skirts on the Evo. It wasn't too hard to install. At first it was like, where does each bracket go? But I mean, once you mess around with them for a bit, you'll figure them out. That's gonna be it for today's video, guys. So remember, if you guys want to be featured in the videos, make me a 10-second outro for my channel. I'll be putting them in the videos as they go. Again, at my email, shoes369@gmail.com. And I'll see you guys on the next video.